Hello everyone, my name is Angelica and I'm a citizen developer at Dasha. Right now I would like to demonstrate you the conversational AI insurance claims automation live demo in our new development, which is Dasha Playground. So let's give it a try.
Hello, thank you for calling Acme Insurance Claims Helpline. My name is Dasha. I will be your artificially intelligent agent today. Can you please introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Angelica Greenberg.
Pleased to meet you, Angelica Greenberg. How can I help you today?
I would like to check my insurance policy details, please.
Can you please share the policy number you'd like to check?
It's 2221337.
Thank you. Let's make sure I got the number correctly. 2221337. Is this right?
Correct.
Okay, let me see here. It looks like this is a valid policy number, and there is currently one active claim associated with this policy number. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Could you tell me my claim status, please?
It looks like the claim has been approved. You can redeem it if you like. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Yeah, go ahead and redeem it, please.
Absolutely. It looks like there is a bank account tied to your account with us. With your sign off, we will refund the claim value to your account. Would you like me to initiate this process?
Yes, please.
Great. Refund process initiated. You should receive your money in 3 to 5 days. Anything else I can help you with?
No.
I'm glad I could be of help. How would you rate our interaction on the scale of 0 to 10?
9.
Thank you for such a high rating and thank you for your time. Please call back if you have any more questions. Bye.
Bye. So that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.